Hey everybody, this is Mike Liskey with Zero Company Performance Marketing and aiCMO. Today we're going to cover Kindness Communicator. So welcome to aiCMO's Kindness Communicator product demo video. This tool is designed to help you infuse kindness and empathy into every message you send, right? It's intended to make communication more thoughtful, with our AI-driven tool that softens the tones, repairs strained relationships, and helps you convey your message with care. And what we'll do in this video is we'll actually look through some real world results and output from the tool. We'll do a product walkthrough or a demo for you, and then get really into the purpose behind the tool and why we think it's so essential, right? So whether you're responding to an upset customer, following up with a colleague, or crafting a social media post, Kindness Communicator is basically here to support your tone of understanding and connection, to build that connection. In today's fast-paced world, oftentimes transactional, the smallest gestures of kindness can leave lasting impressions. Businesses that communicate with empathy not only build stronger relationships with their customers, but also foster trust and loyalty. However, when emotions are running high, finding the right words, right, that's when we find it the most challenging. So that's where a Kindness Communicator can come in, right? So the problem really is many businesses struggle with how to respond to tense situations, right? Whether it's calming an upset customer or trying to soften the tone of an otherwise sharp message or replying back to a really sharp message, it can be difficult to hit the right tone of empathy, care, and professionalism. This often leads to miscommunication and strains the relationships that we work so hard to build, right? So take, for example, a customer service team handling a complaint, right? Let's say a customer emails with frustration over a delayed product delivery, right? A well-meaning but curt response might acknowledge the delay, but fail to express empathy for the customer's situation, right? Leaving them feeling unheard. So let's look at a few real world results, and then we'll get into how you might be able to produce some good communication using Kindness Communicator. So as we navigate here into the dashboard, I've already run a couple situations that we'll be able to take a look at. So here's a couple, for example, that we may have written for our agency. So this might come, say we're responding back to our client. It says here, hey, Jane and the amazing team at Key Client ABC. We're so thrilled to be working together and just want to take a moment to appreciate all the incredible results we've achieved. Sometimes as an organization, we'll get emails from clients that will question either their performance or how we're managing the account. It's very standard, right, for a business to receive questions or inquiries from customers. But with Kindness Communicator, in the response, we'll really be able to ensure that we not only craft the right message, but hit the right tone. There it says, your account performance has truly been outstanding, and it's something we're so proud of as a team. We understand there might have been some concerns about the results, but rest assured, we've been on top of everything, pouring our hearts into ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's continue this exciting journey together and create even more success. Your partnership means the world to us, and we believe amazing things are yet to come. Let me just do one more example. Go back to the dashboard. We'll use another example, say from Zero Company. So it's here. Hello, John. Firstly, I want to sincerely apologize for any frustration you're feeling. I completely understand how important it is for your SEO to show progress and can imagine how exasperating it must be not to see the improvements you're hoping for. I assure you we are committed to enhancing your SEO performance as if it were our own. We've been diligently working on analyzing data, optimizing your site, and implementing tailored strategies to address the challenges specific to your industry. It's a journey that can take time, but we're here to ensure every step moves us closer to your goals. Right? Let's work together to review what we've done so far and identify any areas we might improve. Your feedback is invaluable, and I genuinely appreciate your patience and trust as we strive to deliver the results you deserve. Please let me know a convenient time for us to discuss your concerns in more detail. So you can see there a lot of really good points. I really love, the empathizing with, like, how exasperating something like that can be. I like, the other, piece here about ensuring that we're committed to enhancing their performance as if we're our own. I love, that little phrase that it added. So how might you produce this for your company? Let's go ahead and take a look at just how easy it is to use Kindness Communicator. So along the left-hand navigation here of aiCMO, simply click on the Kindness Communicator link and it'll bring you here to this. Let's change company. So here, let's maybe as an example, use Tom's Shoes, which many of us might be familiar with. So in this case, let's choose write a response. You could do a couple of things. If you've already written your email, you can drop the original text here and ask aiCMO to rewrite it for you. Or if you received an email and you need to respond to it, you can do that here as well. I'm going to pause the video for just a second while I fill this out, and then we'll come back and review that information and the result. Take a look at the results. All right, so I've gone ahead and filled this in, and you can see here we're going to respond back to an order that went wrong, right? So they wrote back, Tom's Shoes, what's wrong with you? Yeah, I got my order 3 days late and then sent the wrong color and the wrong size. I need a size 7. He sent a 6. Please immediately refund my charges and send me a return label. You need to respond, to a client that sent this email, and just the goal, rest assured, we will take care of the situation. Send out the right shoe right away at a 20% discount. Please let us know if you'd like to cancel the order completely. We'll take care of other measures, right? And then the tone I asked for was making sure that we're empathetic, demonstrate loyalty, or being thankful as well for their customer loyalty. So real simple, just like that. We can fill it in, and then Kindness Communicator will go ahead and start to generate that email for us. And so literally like that, just in seconds. Let's take a look at the results. So here you can see we're here to make it right. So we are truly sorry to hear about the situation with your recent Tom's shoe order. We understand how frustrating it can be to look forward to something and then have it not meet your expectations. Great kind of show of empathy there. You deserve the best from us, and we're committed to making sure you get just that. So first and foremost, thank you for bringing this to our attention, for your patience as we work to resolve this matter. It's loyal customers like you who inspire us to continuously improve our services. We're thrilled to let you know that we're sending out the correct pair of shoes, your desired size and color right away. As a token of our appreciation and an apology for the inconvenience, we've applied a 20% discount to this order. We hope it brightens your day just a little. Attaches a return label for free shipping, so you can easily send the incorrect shoes back to us without any hassle. Your convenience is our priority. If at any point you decide you'd like to cancel the order entirely, just let us know, and we'll take the swift action to accommodate your request. Our goal is for you to feel valued and satisfied every step of the way. Thank you for your understanding and patience. We're truly grateful for your loyalty and are here for any further assistance you might need. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns. So again, you can see there, I just gave it a few points and it was able, to respond back to this. And it can do this responding to a social post. Maybe there's another internal communication situation that needs to be handled, right? Imagine a manager needing to give feedback to an employee who's made a significant mistake, right? The initial message in that situation might be focused too heavily on the error itself, potentially discouraging the employee, right? So Kindness Communicator can really help to reframe that message to still address the issue, but in a supportive and constructive way, right? It's like, I appreciate all the hard work you've put in. I want to share, some thoughts on the recent project where things didn't go, as planned, and I'd love to work together on improving. That's another example, right, of how Kindness Communicator can really come in and continue to foster the communication and the relationship. So when it comes to this tool, we understand the importance of kindness, right? But in today's digital age, the way we communicate can make or break a relationship, whether it's with a customer, maybe it's a new, employee or an internal, colleague. A business's reputation hinges on how we handle situations when emotions are running high, right? The kindness communicator allows you to resolve those issues with grace and ensure your customers feel valued and heard. The more businesses that embrace empathetic communication, the more positive change we can inspire in our customer relationships across the globe. So, with Kindness Communicator, every word you send can reflect the values your business holds dear and it will be aligned to your purpose as an organization. Why not try it out today, or watch how it can transform your interactions with meaningful, positive connections that build that true trust and loyalty. Again, thanks for sticking around and looking at Kindness Communicator. We hope it truly enriches the relationships in your life. And please let us know how you enjoy the tool. Until next time, take care. Again, it's Mike Liskey with aiCMO and Zero Company Performance Marketing.